it's Bree and I'm back with another video. Before I even get into this video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that bell notification so you are notified every single time I post. I'm sorry if I sound nasally. I am getting over a cold. It's been a head cold and I have been sneezing nonstop, but that's not gonna stop me from doing this video that I'm super excited for. I know you guys can tell by the title what we're getting into, and yes, we are getting into a huge haul from SHEIN. I ordered some stuff for the kids as well, who are very loud for some odd reason downstairs. But I do want to say I absolutely love SHEIN so far. This is the second time I've ordered off of them. The first time I ordered it was like a purple matching outfit with Frank. It was like on clearance and it started getting cold out, so I never got to wear it. And then this mom sweater that I got. And then I decided to do a haul because I like the way the clothes felt and the clothes, how they fit as well. Also, their shipping, so like, it came like almost like 5 days before like I was even expecting it. So I come home and there's like this big package on my front step and I'm like, what is this? Sure enough, it was my SHEIN package. So blah blah blah, I know y'all done hearing me talk, so let me go put some clothes on and I'll be back. Okay, so first things first, let me start with the sizes. The top I bought is a 1X. The bottoms are a 1X, and this shirt is a 2X. And the reason I say 1X is not because it's an extra large, because I did order everything off of their curve part of their website, because I've been a little skeptical because I'm an in-between size in a lot of things, so I'd rather it fit a little loosely than too tight and I can't pull it up. But these jeans are super comfortable. I'm normally like a size 12 or a 13. I just don't like this part of the pocket, how it kind of like sticks out. I can't get it to stay in, but this is outfit number uno. The second outfit is this cute boy mom simple tee. I got it in the 2X. These jeans are the same jeans you saw before. They're gonna be used for maybe about 2 or 3 more outfits I bought. No, they're not the jeans I'm probably gonna wear with the outfit, but they're the jeans that I have upstairs right now that probably match close enough to the other things I bought. But yes, super simple tee, boy mama. So outfit number 3, I want to say that the crop tops that I got, that white one that you saw in the first outfit, it came in a pack of 4. So I got the white one, this brown one, a black one, and a gray one. Then the sweatpants that I got, I have the brown ones on, and I have this shade of orange and then this shade of orange. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I've already worn these ones, and I'll post the picture right here. So I've already worn these. They're super comfortable. Like, talk about not needing to take your boyfriend's sweatpants type comfortable. Like, Frank probably got his sweatpants, but this is the outfit. I didn't want to keep the same crop top going, so I know it's not that good of a match, but it's something to throw on. But these sweatpants, super comfortable, guys. So I forgot to mention in the last clip that everything was a 1X. Sorry about that. This dress that I have on is probably my favorite thing that I've got right now, because I don't have a long sleeve and a long dress. This dress I have is in a 0XL. This is the dress, y'all. She's giving very much with a cute little heel. Don't mind my socks. But yes, guys, yes, I cannot wait. So this next outfit I got in a 2XL. I feel like I maybe should have went down to a 1XL, but I feel like if I go down to a 1XL, my pants will be too small or like fit like just right, and the shirt will be too small. Also, me personally, I don't like how it fits on my body, because what the model looked like and what it looks like mine do not match at all. So I think I'm gonna wear like the shirt with like some jeans or some leggings, and the pants I might have to like snazz it up a little bit with some like heels and a cute top or something. I'll have to find something. But when I say I feel like I look like a parachute, I feel like I look like a parachute. Like there's no, I don't know, you guys. Like Frank was like, oh, if you like pull them up a little bit and put like a heel on, like it would be cute. But like I said, what this looks like and what it looks like on the model don't match. But knowing me and Frank, I'm almost 1,000% sure I will find something to do with these pants. Okay, so this next outfit, I ordered in a 1XL. Do not be surprised if you see me take family pictures in it with Frank and the boys. But it's a super simple bodycon dress with this cute little flannel shirt. You can either button it up, but my bust area does not let me button it up and it stay correctly. So this is this dress, super cute, with a nice little boot or something. So this next outfit is dedicated to TikTok because this is where I saw the beginning of these outfits. So, you know, I had to get myself one. So this is her. This is the outfit. I was going to get one last year in yellow, but with this little fupa area going on, yellow is not my color. But yellow is not my color, period. But y'all know I had to hop on the trend. So this next outfit is just the one piece, the top, I guess. I have the same jeans on. I ordered it in a 1X. It is super comfortable, super like, guys, I used to love one pieces and then they like, I don't know, I just like grew out of them, but this one is like super soft, super comfortable. I feel like I might have to pin it to my bra because it is falling down. But this is the next one. It is so cute. So just like the last one, this next outfit is just the top. It's the same jeans from the way beginning. It's a baby pink. I don't know why it kind of looks nude, or maybe it just looks nude to me. But this is the top. Super cute. I love this detailing. I just don't like the sleeves. The sleeves are just not giving for me, but I'm sure I can make it work. I have an event coming up, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to wear this with maybe different kind of pants. I have like a black pair downstairs I might pair this with, or maybe even these jeans. So my last outfit is probably the most basic one because I'm actually about to go chill and edit and yeah, all that snazzy jazz. The top and the bottom are both 1X. The crop top, I did get in a 2-pack. I got a white one as well. And then I got these super cute sweatpants. So I'm about to go chill. I do have one more thing to show you guys. I'm gonna see if the kids want to put them on. If not, I'll just show you guys. So the kids didn't want to take pictures in their outfits. I did make them try them on just to see if everything fit. So I got this for Carter and it's in a 4Y. It fits him. It's actually fits really good. I actually like the fit on him. It's super soft material. If I can't get a picture by the time I edit, I will just post the pictures that are off of the website of these. But hopefully between now and the time I edit, I can get it. I got this Dinosaur shirt for Cole. This is in a 2. He probably will get one use out of it, which I'm not shocked because he's kind of in between sizes depending on the brand, depending on what it is between a 2T and a 3T. So I'm not surprised about this, nor am I mad. But I did only order one thing off of it just to see how the sizes did work for them, because that's what I did for myself and I'm not disappointed. So don't be surprised if I might have a kid haul on here. Then I have this super cute Sherpa outfit with this cute little bear and the matching pants. Super cute. Like I said, hopefully I can get the kids to get a picture in it. Maybe they'll wear it by the time I edit this video and I'll post it. If not, I'll just, like I said, take the video or the picture off of the website. But that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I did enjoy it, even though I had been contemplating doing this video for body reasons and everything else. I'm on this huge weight loss journey and it's just my mentality. I'm in my head. I'm stuck in my head. But make sure to like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. And make sure to follow me on social media to see how I do end up pairing these outfits, or, you know, family pictures or whatever. Especially that outfit with the blue pants and the black shirt. But I'll see you guys later. Peace.
I got problems.